Hello everyone, I am Shikha Jha and I am MSc Botany. I am also B.Ed. Today we are going to study about cell membrane. So what is cell membrane? As we have studied in the structure of cell, that cell membrane is the outer covering of the cell. In case of plants, outside the cell membrane there is cell wall present, but in case of animal there is cell membrane present outside the cell. Cell membrane covers the cell. So in case of plants, cell membrane is the outermost covering, but in case of plants, cell wall is the outermost covering. Today we are going to discuss about cell membrane. Cell membrane are also known as plasma membrane. So how can we define the cell membrane? It is thin covering of cell. Every cell is known as cell membrane. What is cell membrane? It is thin covering of the cell. What is the nature of the cell membrane? It is selectively permeable in nature. Cell membrane or plasma membrane is selectively permeable in nature. It means it doesn't allow all the substances to pass into the cell and out of the cell. It selectively permits to the substances to pass. Whatever the cell is required, it only permits that substances to pass into the cell. We have read in case of cell wall that cell wall is completely permeable. Cell wall allows all the substances to pass into it, but cell membrane is selectively permeable. It doesn't allow all the solutes and solvent to pass into it. Coming to the thickness of the cell membrane, its average thickness is about 75 angstrom. The thickness of the cell membrane varies from 50 angstrom to 250 angstrom, but its average thickness is 75 angstrom. Coming to the composition of the cell membrane, it is composed of three substances: lipid, protein and a small amount of carbohydrates. There are two layers of lipid present and proteins are present in between them, and some amount of carbohydrates are also present. So if we make the structure of the plasma membrane, then there is two layers of lipid present. This is one layer, this is another layer. And proteins are present in between them. So this is one protein, this is protein. So these are lipids and these are proteins. Some of the scientists have also given a model that is known as sandwich model. Sandwich model to define the structure of the plasma membrane. सैंडविच क्या होता है कि दो ब्रेड का लेयर होता है, दो ब्रेड के लेयर के बीच में हम लोग कुछ स्टफ्स डालते हैं. ठीक उसी तरह प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन का भी स्ट्रक्चर होता है. दो लिपिड के लेयर होते हैं और उनके बीच में प्रोटीन्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं, इसलिए इसको सैंडविच मॉडल भी कहा गया है. और भी बहुत सारे मॉडल्स आए थे प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन को डिफाइन करने के लिए. वन ऑफ देम वाज सैंडविच मॉडल. तो प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन का क्या स्ट्रक्चर होता है, कंपोजिशन होता है? लिपिड के दो लेयर से बने होते हैं, प्रोटीन्स होते हैं और कुछ कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स आर आल्सो प्रेजेंट. कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स भी कुछ प्रेजेंट होते हैं. कमिंग टू द फंक्शन ऑफ द सेल मेम्ब्रेन, it allows movement of substances into the cell and out of the cell. It means if this is the cell and this is the cell membrane, what does it do? It allows some of the substances to pass in it and some of the substances to pass out of it also. Whatever the cell is needed, for example glucose and oxygen, the cell membrane allows these substances to pass into the cell. But what we don't need, for example carbon dioxide, the cell doesn't need carbon dioxide. When the cell doesn't need carbon dioxide, it passes out of the cell. So the first function of the cell membrane is it allows the movement of substances into the cell and out of the cell. It protects the cell, as it is the covering of the cell, it protects the cell. It gives shape to the cell, also shape to the cell. So ये क्या करता है, एक सेल को शेप देता है, सेल को कवर करके उसको एक शेप देता है. जैसे हम लोग अपने रूम को कवर शेप देने के लिए दीवार का कवरिंग बनाते हैं, दीवार से बनाते हैं, उसको शेप देते हैं, वैसे ही ब्रेन एब्सेंट होता है. It also separates two cells from each other. तो ये क्या करता है, दो सेल को सेपरेट करने का भी काम करता है, क्योंकि सेल मेम्ब्रेन जो है आउटर कवरिंग है, तो ये उसको सेपरेट करता है। साथ ही ये जो होता है सराउंडिंग, बाहर का जो मटेरियल, जो भी सब्सटेंसेस प्रेजेंट होते हैं, उससे भी सेपरेट करने में मदद करता है। सो व्हाट इज सेल मेम्ब्रेन? Cell membrane are also known as plasma membrane. The thin covering of every cell is known as cell membrane. Its nature is selectively permeable. It doesn't allow all the substances to pass in it. Its thickness is about 75 angstrom. It is composed of lipid, protein and a small amount of carbohydrates. Lipids are present in two layers, outer covering of lipid, inner lipid, and proteins are present in between. So to define the cell plasma membrane, some of the scientists give sandwich model. What is its function? Its function, it allows movement of substances into the cell and out of the cell. It protects the cell. It gives shape to the cell. That's it about cell membrane. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel and like and share to the video. Thank you.